In reaction, the Oyo State Commissioner of Police, Shina Olukolu, described the situation as man's inhuman acts to other fellow beings.
At Olore, Ojo area of Ibadan. And actually when the police got here, we discover that young men, young women are being kept in captivity in a Dugeuon-like situation. As a matter of fact, man's inhumanity to man is being manifested in this environment, and we are not happy about the situation.
Most victims were taken to the center by their parents as a result of the manifestations of behaviors in them.
For over 4 years without doing anything. Some people were brought here, they tell their parents that evil spirit has been possessing their children. Our parents pay 30,000 at times, they give us 2,000 out of 30,000. The clerics, they take the remaining 28,000. Our parents, what happened is that those people, they convince our parents that this place is pure Islamic school, whereby they inspire us to become greater leaders in future. Whereas it's the opposite. This place, they just bring us say, they tell our parents that we are being cured by the Quran, whereas it's a lie. If we come here, I don't see my second one again. Please, his brother. They are the other side. I mean, yes, it's 2 years ago. 2 years ago.
I come from Ikorodu because I'm smoking. The local Jama gate there for that place. Go help us. Help us. There's a Jama gate there. Jama gate, they lock them. They don't fit come out.
Some of the locked up victims recanted their ordeals.
I'm a student of UNILAG. Yes. What level? 300 level.
Studying what?
Mathematics. Yes. People die here due to sickness. When you tell them you're having malaria, they give you paracetamol every day. What brought me here? My brother brought me here. He got advice from someone, from a neighbor, telling him that there's a place at Ibadan that they take care of people, they make people better, that they make people just well, that after staying for long here, you become a very good person, you become Alfa in life, you become this, you become a knowledgeable person. Whereas everything is like, even the knowledge they teach here is fake. If you compare what we learn here to the original Arabic, it's fake, it's not even the same thing, it doesn't tally.
As at the time that the correctional facility was invaded, many of them were malnourished, mentally and physically unstable, while some were badly infected with skin rashes. Also present was the Commissioner for Women Affairs and Social Inclusion in Oyo State, Alfa, who said the state government is on top of its game on the issue.
I know it's a very pathetic issue. We cannot preempt anything now, but we are going to take care of the situation. That's what I can. Adequate care will be taken to rescue these children as we are seeing them.
One of the teachers that was interrogated claimed that they were using Quranic teachings to mold the lives of the victims.
So, ní ṣe ni wọn ó kọ Ọlọ́run lápè fún wọn tara wọn fi balẹ̀ ibẹ̀ láti wá mọ lórúkọ Ọlọ́run fún wọn díẹ̀.
Àtàwọn tó ti fẹ́ kú náà tẹ kó sínú kinní tán dàbí ẹrun orí rẹ̀.
Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn míì
lè dìde mọ́.
Kò sáwọn kan.
Àwọn náà ń gbàdúrà fún wọn ni.
Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn míì tí wọ́n ti mu cocaine tó jẹ́ pé wọ́n ti mu cocaine wọ́n ti gbẹ ẹ̀jẹ̀ wọ́n ti gbẹ.
Ọmọ ẹ̀ mélòó ló wà nínú? Ọmọ tí yín mélòó ló wà nínú àwọn tẹ kó sínú ilé?
Gbogbo àwọn ọmọ tiwa tá a bí àjọ ń jẹun ni. Àjọ ń gbé ni.
Ọmọ tí yín mélòó ló wà nínú ilé yìí? Tọwọ́ sọmọ ẹ̀ tó wà nínú ilé bí? Tọwọ́ sí ọmọ ẹ̀ tó wà nínú mídò mẹ́tẹ̀ẹ̀ta táwọn èèyàn wà yìí, tọwọ́ sọmọ ẹ̀ tó wà ńbẹ̀.
The Commissioner of Police, Shina Olukolu, therefore assured that the state government will care for the freed victims.
The state government has told the police that they are ready to take care of these people and ensure that they are properly kept, properly treated, well fed, and treated as human beings, unlike the way they are being treated like animals in this environment.
We are very happy. God will do all what you want for you. Thank you so much.
Amen. In all, 34 females, 191 males, 11 children, and 23 sick ones who had been detained and chained for the past 2 to 10 years were evacuated from the correctional facility, while the Oyo State Police Force continues its investigation to unravel the whole scenario.
When they tell you something hell, something more than hell, this is the place. It's worse.
You sleep with your side. Yeah.
I don't even know what to say. See, I'm over happy.